Alright, job of the day. I'm going to change out this four-way, check all his lights and wiring, do a safety check on his trailer. We're just going to chop off the front. I'm going to feed this back in so we don't have exposed wires, and then put a loom lock on there so it looks nice and clean for him. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on out. Green is right turn, yellow is left turn. All these are running lights, and these are all grounds. Shallow, shallow, shallow. Probably should have put the shrink wrap on before I did this, but let's see if it'll fit all in that. I think it will. Oh yeah, nice tight fit. But I don't think the butt connectors will fit. We'll do one more, one size bigger, so butt connectors can fit inside. Yeah, perfect. All right, got it roughed in. All the wires hooked up. I got everything else blinking, but there's no brakes on the trailer. So marker lights are good. Left turn, right turn, let's test. Good marker light. Good rear. Let's do left turn. Left turn's good. Let's do right turn. Right turn's good. Back to markers. All three-way light bar's good. And front's good. Perfect. Let me clean this up. And doing shrink wrap on the butt connectors. And then I'll put a big shrink wrap over the top of everything. Make it look nice and clean. All his lights work. And then I'm going to loom lock it so it's even cleaner. That way it doesn't have any exposed wires coming out of his frame. Butt connector shrunk. Shrink wrap going over the top of these. Nice and clean. Going inside out. Make sure nothing gets trapped. Absolutely clean. And then put this inside this. And then I'm gonna loom lock it. Got it loom locked, and I pushed the excess in so there's no other exposed wires in there. Let's check lights again. We got good markers. Good markers all the way down. Yes, all the rear's good. Left turn, on and good. Right turn, on and good. Back to markers are on. And front passenger side's on. Cool, all finished. All shrunk wrap, everything's good, everything works. I put a loom lock right here. Everything keeps inside so nothing's exposed. Left turn, right turn, marker lights work. This job's done, I'm on to the next.